Online courses for kids. Welcome to Online Courses for Kids. In this session, we will learn how to add an icon to our application in an easy and simple steps. Are you ready? Let's go. Please open your browser. Open the following URL, http://ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. From MIT App Inventor home screen, select My Projects. Now you can see a list of your projects. Then click on any project. Now you can see the home of your project. From right side Properties, select Icon. Now you have to click Upload File. Now we will select Choose File. From your PC, select the image file to be used as an icon for your application. Now, we will select OK. Now, the icon is added to our application. Thank you for watching this session and see you in next sessions.